going on? What's going on, YouTube? Got a 10 Odyssey. Doing a quick oil change on it, and as you can tell, it's raining. So we're gonna make this real speedy. Gonna make real good use out of this here today. Gonna make it nice and quick. As soon as I came out and got everything set up, the rain started coming down, but ain't finna stop now. A little bit too late to be stopping. Takes 520. We got Quaker State 520. We got the filter right here, Super Tech, which is good stuff. So let's go ahead and knock it out. Oil pan under here, mine. I'm going to set this over here out the way. And get on up under here. Got a chalk back there, no jack stand, big heavy duty ass jack. Wish me luck. Always practice safety, people. Oh, look how it's right there in that frame rail. Between there, I should have gotten my tool set. My tool set is in the Camaro, y'all, and Camaro's getting the trans built. So, and with the rain and everything, I don't plan on being under here for too long. Thing with these adjustable wrenches is you want to make sure they are good and tight, because you slip, it's over with. See, that doesn't feel 100% tight. A little room over there to move around. I don't like how that, but that apparently looked like the factory wheel. Here we go. Nope. Well, it ain't gonna be as speedy as I thought, y'all. Not enough space. That should be a 15 or 17. Having to dig around for tools that I normally have, so bear with me, folks. That's a 15. I gotta try to dig out a 17, 15. Ain't fitting. Yeah, if you want to save yourself some time, you can always Google what size bolts these things use, but it's been a while. And I actually like to spin these loose with my hand. I'm gonna move y'all back a little bit. Sorry guys. We gonna put y'all back in train, huh? That what I'm doing to y'all? I ain't cutting this video, y'all. do all this little stuff in real time. There we go. And get a drop on me. Oh, I was wrong. I did get a drop on me. I'm gonna let that piss out. You kind of move your drain pan around a little bit. Filter sitting right there. Frams are so-so. They're not the greatest filter in the world, but they're not just horrible trash. Change your oil on time, change your filter. If you're gonna go that cheap, just change it every oil change, especially with those little Frams. Like I said, they are cheap. They're not the best in the world, but they're not just garbage either. There are other filters you can get that are a lot better. I was gonna use the K&N for this vehicle, the one with the nut on it. Shite. I was gonna use that one, but they didn't have any at the Walmart I was at, so I'm just using what I got. So that's trickling out of there. I made a spill, man. I hate that. When it comes to just start dropping, then I'm gonna go ahead and plug it back up. Because you're never gonna get all the oil out of there. Never. Never, ever, ever, ever. Alright, that's good enough. Never gonna get all the oil out. Ever. Position my oil pan over there. I've heard so many horror stories of people forgetting to tighten the pan nut here. I just like to get it good and snug where I know it'll be okay. And reach up in here. Sound like I'm busting a nut. Not necessarily, you know, that may or may not be the sound that I make. Just saying. Alright, time to get a little bit dirty. I am not left-handed, guys, so forgive me. I'm holding the camera with my left. And realistically, you can get this here done in like 10 minutes. Especially if you already have the tools out, you know what I'm saying? And you're not filming. So. Oh, my psychic trying to run away. Time to go ahead and get this. Sad part about it is that I should have used the front facing camera. So this particular filter here is good 10,000 miles. Get a little filter. You want to put a little oil in it. You don't got to get it full to the brim. But this prevents it from dry starting. And I actually filled it to the brim, but it's gonna, the filter elements are gonna absorb some of that. They say get a better seal when you put a little oil around the O-ring.